Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a cute turkey and turn it into a nice little Thanksgiving Day card? Well, let's get started. And these are the materials that I will be using, along with an additional extra white sheet of paper. To start off with the body of a turkey, we're going to draw an arch just like that. And then we're going to bring it down, sort of looks like a bowling pin. Bring it back up, okay? Now, the feathers, we're going to draw sort of like an oval shape all the way around. So just a line across and then curved. And then at the top here, and again, we're going to continue the pattern of our feathers. I'll draw another one here, trying to match it on the other side, and then one here on that side. Maybe I'll just add another one here. And why don't we do another one here? Little feet, so they're like little claws, just little zigzags and back up. So the eyes, just draw 2 circles, and then you can just shade in the inside of the pupil. If you want, you could add a little eyebrow. The beak, little upside down triangle. Okay, and this is called the snood. And it's sort of like the fleshy piece of skin that hangs over a turkey's beak. Okay, and it actually helps to regulate a turkey's body temperature in hot weather. All right, so for our feathers, if you like, you could just add little lines, just random lines, just to give it a little bit of depth. There we go. Okay. All right, so I decided to use fall colors. So for the body of the turkey, I'm going to color it brown. Turkeys actually have 3 times better vision than humans. They can also see in color. So they even have beards. They have like a bristle-like growth of feathers on their chest as well. They have color-changing heads. So they change from vibrant reds to blues. They're social animals. They like to be around other turkeys as well. So they're quite fast. They're large. They actually have 5,000 feathers. I'm going to use a little bit of pink here, just to give it a little bit of more color. Turkeys have unique personalities. So some are more bold and daring, and others are curious, attentive, intelligent animals as well. Red and bright orange, and then yellow. This is more of a pale yellow. And then I'm going to continue with brown as well, red. Now, turkeys are a symbol of the Thanksgiving feast dinner, where families like to gather together and give thanks for the wonderful food. Feather. Now, you can use whatever colors you like. And we're almost done. So this will be red. And then I'm going to color it orange. And then a pale yellow, a bright orange. Okay, and I'm going to use the same color for the feet here. Bright orange here, this red. So I have a joke to share with you. Who is never hungry on Thanksgiving? The turkey, because he's already stuffed. So I cut out our cute little turkey here. And so now to turn it into a nice little card, you just have a piece of paper that you can fold in half, okay? And then you fold it again. So it's like a cute little card folded in half again, okay? And then you can glue the turkey right in front of the card. Okay, just like that. And then inside you can print happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy, thanks, T-H-A-N-K-S, thanks, then G-I-V-I-N-G, happy Thanksgiving. And you can also draw like a little pumpkin, okay? Or you can draw little fall leaves if you like, just to decorate it. I'll just draw another one. Little pointy leaves here. Okay, and if you want, the little pumpkin can have, you can turn it into a jack-o'-lantern if you like. Okay. And you could also sign your name if you like. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly color it. So here's a little pumpkin and our fall leaves. So I'll just make one leaf red and the other one brown, because during this time of the year, they all fall down during the autumn season. So here's our little Thanksgiving Day card that you can give to a special friend or a family member. All right, my friends, until next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Gobble, gobble.